Um, okay, are we live? You know, hang on. Nope. No. Okay. When I titled the stream, I will live in fear for the rest of my stream, I did not expect this to be happening, which is that first I had a little bit of lag. And then I was looking for stuff in my file system and that was taking a little bit longer than usual. And then my shit blue screened, and I'm very, very concerned about the state of my computer. I am wondering if I just installed a new SSD, so I'm wondering if that's causing issues. Um, Fuck, I don't know if I want to keep doing dev stuff then. It's very concerning that that's happening. Like, you know in movies when the computer crashes and it like the sound freezes and buzzes and everything looks corrupted and the screen turns blue. That's what happened. It was like a movie happened, a computer movie. Which are not terribly accurate except for that one moment, I suppose. Okay, well, I was gonna do dev stuff, and now I kind of just want to see if the PC's gonna break again, because it's kind of scaring me. So instead of doing dev stuff, where I write code to analyze YouTube chat in real time, and then end the stream if it pulls the correct random number, um, I don't know actually what we're gonna do. Do I want to live in fear forever? Hmm. Maybe. Maybe it'll be fine. You know what's also a little kind of fucked up? The Python script I'm writing is called StreamEnder, and it's now taken out the stream twice. And I've not even run it. I ran it the one time to figure out if that variable was working. But it's not actually... there's nothing set up to actually end the stream. Open with. Notepad. No. I would love to open it in VS Code. If it were installed in the right location. For some reason, it's fucking not. Do not run that. Okay, I'm gonna reinstall VS Code. It won't have any of my settings, but that's okay. Download for Windows. I'm having like actual stress issues right now. My PC not being in tip-top shape is not something I'm gonna manage well. Oh, that's on my external drive. I really need to free up space on this drive, which is gonna mean... Oh, let's go to the VM folder and take a crack at getting rid of all that. Why do I have VirtualBox VMs? I don't, okay. Gonna nuke that folder. What's grumpy? Oh. Getting Discord messages. You don't have my desktop audio, do you? No. No, we're fine. You've just got music. Okay, that's in documents. There we go. Maybe it's a space issue with my C drive. And if I just start removing stuff from that drive, it'll fix it. This has gotten me in trouble before. Okay. Maybe it was, I think it could have been code, because code was not running, VS Code was not running in the correct, something was off about it. Create a desktop icon, please. Freaking me the fuck out. I mean, I have a low, very, very low barrier for anxiety, but I'm genuinely not having a great time with my computer right now. Okay, don't break anything. Please don't break anything. Okay. Everything seems fine. I'm now mumbling. Give us some water. Maybe it'll make me feel better. Oh, also, I am going on vacation next week. I will not be streaming all of next week. As part of going on vacation, I have reverted my diet to something that normal people eat. So I've not been eating carbs really at all. And today I had white rice. So if it seems like I'm off, that's more than half of the reason. I also had a very strange day at work where things just did not function as expected for most of the day. So I'm a little bit off balance from that. Okay, now let me go back to a previous session. Here, you can take a look at, oh, it's a black screen. Please do not break anything. I've now replicated the precise conditions in which it crashed last time, except for I reinstalled VS Code. So if it breaks again, I'm never opening this combination of programs at the same time ever again. Oh, no, I just put that one. Just to save myself the fear. Why is Gatherer open? I don't use Gatherer. Okay. My brain is now short-circuiting. How do I get... Okay, so this wants, two credentials. Load them from a file. All right, I'm gonna work on these credentials. I promise actual dev work will start within the hour, assuming my PC does not crash again. I'm also going to run an ESET scan and a Defender scan. Because I really don't want shit to be broken. Okay. Google API Console, that's what it's called. Credentials. Now, how to get credentials? Create credentials, there we go. What does the wizard say I need? Says I need tokens, an access token and a refresh token. I can look for an API key. Okay, I don't know how to get this. I'm gonna ask the wizard again. See if the wizard knows. There's something blocking my screen. If you're wondering what software development is like, this is like 90% of it. If you want to be in software development because you want to like look like a cool hacker, cool hackers live in their parents' basements with pajamas on, and they sit reading the internet looking for solutions to problems they should probably already know. That's only half a joke. The pajama part is real. And the looking things up constantly is real. I do not live with my parents. It's also not 90% looking up stuff. It's like 50% looking up stuff. We call it research. We do call it research. Okay. How do I get this? You need credentials that authenticate your application's request. Come in credential secret JSON, credentials.json. The Google Cloud Platform console. Sign in, done. Go to the API library. Yes, sir. Okay, here I am. I've not used the Google API library since a project in like my second year of college. Analytics, reporting, which one is it? Wow, it's still typing stuff. YouTube data. Oh, there we go. I need to enable, because it's the one I want to use. I forgot that if someone just comes in a chat and spams a bunch of messages, one, the stream will end, and two, I'll have to pay for it. I bet you I can just turn on slow mode to cut that out. Then you'd have to write a botnet. On create credentials. Okay. App type. Other for desktop. Okay, so it's other. So do I need a client ID? No. Like an API key. Okay, close. Is that all I needed? Alright, clearly I'm dumb. Interacting with the YouTube API. Oh, no, it is client ID. Look, I'm very smart. Yeah. I need a consent screen. User type. Internal. Because it's just me. Why can I not click internal? Oh, I'm not a workspace user. Okay, sure. Oh no, it wants a bunch of app shit. No, 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 don't do this. That's not what I'm making. I'm making a... Well, I mean, I am making an app, but it's not like a... It's not what they're expecting. Am I not allowed to have an API key? Okay. Go away. Now. OAuth client ID. Okay, I don't have a client. How do I do this? Create credentials. OAuth client ID. Right. This is great. I'm literally just reading documentation now. This is what I wanted to avoid. I did not realize creating these credentials was going to be so in-depth. Okay, so I have to configure the consent screen. Or... Right. Scopes. I really just needed to be able to see Google Cloud Data, BigQuery. No, no, it's just do whatever. It's fine. Add test users. No. Summary. Go back to the dashboard. Okay, client IDs. Let's go. That fixed it. App type. Other. Oh, no, it's got desktop now. Client 1, sure. Probably shouldn't tell you the ID. Client, shit. That was, client 76. But hey, I've got stuff now. And you aren't allowed to see it. So... You this JSON file with your application authenticate. Okay. Sorry. You close your eyes. Look at my supple soup face and listen to some tense music. I think I might actually be going just a little crazy. This is going to be great security. I don't think I'm fucking spelling this right. Okay, I'm going to rename this so it's just simpler. Wait, did I spell secret or secrete? Oh, that's not the name of the file at all. Well, I'm very happy that I did not let you see this because it opened to the credentials file immediately. So, that's good. Actually, wait, I could just copy this path and paste it in here. Here we go. Damn, okay. Hang on, let me... You can be back on screen. Yeah, you know what's probably going to change is the credential path. Also, this is not the right way you want to do this. You want to have... you want to be setting the root of your project more effectively using, like, actual virtual environments and the like, but I just do not care. I mean, I do kind of care I should do it that way, but I just don't feel like doing it right now. Okay. Save all. Now, what this should do, if I have everything correct. Okay, and I'm also going to comment that out because I don't actually want it to end the stream. Yet. Eventually this will be a full-fledged thing. What should happen is when I run this code, I can type something into chat and it will print the message down here. That is all that's happening. If we look at It's in handle new message. So it should print the message, and then if you pick out, you know, this number out of 100,000, it ends the stream. But ending the stream just tells you it ended. And I'm not sending 100,000 messages right now. Yeah. Where's that? Yeah, that's 100,000. I should get glasses. It's really hard to read that. I've identified a lot of issues today. Okay, let's run it. Please don't show any credentials on screen. Damn it. What did I do wrong? Unicode error, Unicode escape. Code can't decode bytes and additions 2 through 3 truncated. What do you mean? Oh, is it because I'm trying to escape a bunch of stuff? Here we go. I will escape this for them. I don't know if that's actually the error, but if it is, it'll fix it. Okay. Invalid load key. Alright, we're gonna see if ChatGPT knows how to fix this, because I don't feel like debugging this forever. Fix this for me. There's a binary format, not JSON. I promise it's JSON. I can't show anyone else, but I can see it. It's do not open this in VS. Actually, you're just don't look. Just close your eyes and open them and look at me. Look at my beautiful soup face. That is soup. Okay, do not just open this in Notepad. This is definitely JSON. Like 100% this is a JSON file. The format looks correct. It's got all this stuff in here. All these secrets that you're not allowed to look at. Okay. It's not being super helpful. Oh shit, I just cut something. I meant to copy it. For serialization and deserialization, expects a binary format, not JSON. Why the fuck did you give me that to load the JSON then? If anyone's concerned about ChatGPT taking your job, it won't. I've had, oh well, of course it's trying to read it as byte. I've had more than a few instances where ChatGPT just spits out complete code nonsense. Alright, you can come back. Come back here. There we go. Send it again. Fuck. Oh, I forgot to import it. Damn it. Okay. So I've been working in Linux a lot recently, and I've just been using a lot of tab completion, and now I try and tab complete everything, and it's not working. Because most things don't support tab completion, especially not things that I should just know, or that I should be able to type in on my own. I guess I need to know the library. I should have expected some dumb shit. Not OBS. CMD. Run as admin. Yep. Give me this pip install. I'm not updating pip. I don't care enough. I think I will be good. I'll be okay. It wants us to use this. I really should just take the time to sit down and learn this API. It will probably get better results. I'm a little bit concerned that it's just hallucinating. Okay, now. Let's try this. This is its updated code. Token path. No. Wait, why does it have a different token path here? That's your token.json file. Like the case on the first run, you'll need to go through the OAuth 2 authorization flow to obtain tokens. Process typically involves redirecting to the user consent screen. Okay, so you really have to do a whole bunch of stuff. I like that it's given me a correction that requires a whole different set of features and then tells me, actually, you know, this whole other way to do it's not really part of the correction I gave you. It seems like it might be. Just a little bit. I don't use the authorization flow. Become limited. I just needed to pull the chat. I could theoretically do this myself, I just don't want it to be botting. Okay, let's see about this. Okay. Stop generating. To pull stream chat. Okay. Accessing live stream chat messages. It involves user data. It shouldn't. Why? I don't. Either this is wrong or Google is seriously doing something strange. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do a funny. Handling the authentication process correctly. No. I told you to do this. I just spent 8 hours coding. I don't want to spend any more of my day coding. That's not true. I would if this were any more fun. But it's seriously a pain. There is so much that's involved in getting these tokens. All right, let's play some more music. I hope this is entertaining just looking at this screen. Okay, I can't get the token file because wait, do I need a token to get the token file? Okay, you know what? I trust ChatGPT. And while that is a historically awful idea, I think in this case it should be okay. I also think that right now in this moment, it would be a very bad idea, but something that could be possible, to poison ChatGPT to distribute malware. Now that I'm thinking about it. I'm going to run the code anyway though. Do not end the hang on, do not end the stream. Do not actually run that command. Okay, it has now opened Google on the side. I'm glad it did not open in this window, because it is showing stuff I do not want it to. There's another account. Okay. Okay, either I'm typing stupid or I don't remember my password. Why is it not typing anything? What the fuck? Did I recently change it? No, it's fine. Suspicious behavior detected on my device. Maybe it's because it crashed twice. I really do think it was just that code was installed incorrectly and started causing issues. Because fingers crossed it's not happened again. Okay, StreamEnder has not completed the Google verification process. It's currently being tested and can only be accessed by developer-approved testers. I am the developer. I logged in with the developer account. I fucking love Google. Okay, I'm gonna add test users. I'm gonna literally add the developer and the owner of this project. Okay, it has to be a valid email. Here I was thinking that it would end itself in Gmail. Save. Here I am, Google. What are you going to do about it? Error 403. No, it's not a 403. This is an error 201, which is not an error at all. Actually, I think 201's... It's an error 200. It worked. Google hasn't verified this app. I own it. I'm writing it. I wanted to view my YouTube account. This is what I've asked for. Okay. Fuck. What does this mean? Okay. We're going back to ChatGPT. It'll know. It's still typing from the last question. Indicates there's an issue with the combination of parameters you've used in your request to the YouTube API. Tree broadcast for the currently authenticated user. Yes, that's what I want. However, when looking for live broadcast, live broadcast with a specific status, like active, you should use the broadcast status parameter without mine. So I just want mine then, because I want to get my current stream. Where is that at? I hear that the Twitch API is so much simpler. It's a shame that they don't make much, or they're not like a very profitable business, if at all. At least that's what I've heard. Because they really just do shit so well. Granted, they're doing it well because they're bleeding themselves to death using all that computing power. And they don't have any sort of ad business like Google does. Where am I setting this shit? Get live chat ID. Yeah, in here. Oh, so I can't use this. So I just need to set to mine. Is this what I need? Okay, restart. Do I have to re-authenticate, or is it just running fine now? Is it working? Okay, here I'm gonna send a test chat. Boom. I'm not seeing anything. Uh-oh. Oh? Oh. I got it. I got it very late. Polling interval is 10. Is that every 10 seconds? Can we poll every second instead? Is I gotta tank my API quota guidelines. Yeah, what's my quota on this? Also, hang on, turn that off. Go back. We fucking did it. We collected a chat message. Okay. I actually want to see. Oh, I broke it. What is this number? Okay, I want to see how this is being paid for. Dashboard. Oh, I'm on the dashboard. Oh, no, I'm not. Google is so slow. This app specifically is very slow. Okay. Why is nothing loading? I hope things do not crash again. There we go. Let's go. Requests. Gotten one request. I don't know how pricing works here. Okay. Go to API's overview. Oh, maybe it's in the overview. Maybe it'll tell me how much this costs. Or maybe it'll just fail at some point, and then I'll know how much it costs. Because they don't have my credit card. So, I mean, they'll have to send me an invoice. And then I'll dispute it, saying they'd never give me any pricing information to start. So, how would I know that I was paying? Alright, so now this works. Holy shit, we can start developing. And it's 9:12. I lied about it being within the hour. Oh, it's also after 9, so I gotta be quiet. I have to quiet down. Now it's time for the ASMR stream, where I do a little coding here and there. I hate that I just said that. Okay. Now. What I want to happen is when we, not when we get in here, but when we get, okay. We're just gonna connect to OBS at the start. Up here. Connect to that shit. Now, when we handle the new message, I want to see what the message is. I want to see what it contains. Let's see if they have the... Oh, item. Item and response items. Okay, yeah, I don't know. I'll just see what this message actually is. Because if I can get the user tied to it, that'd be pretty cool. Now what I wanted to do is I wanted to pull a random integer, and I want to do some data-ing on it. So, rand int your YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth, steady streaming. As such, viewers will experience buffering. I mean, it says I've got, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, is it back? Why did my internet just suddenly decide to shit the bed? Right. Okay, we're gonna deal with shitty internet. Okay, so we grab a random integer. We'll use this here. And then we'll say, c-value, c-val is 777. And then what do we want to do here? We want to display stuff on screen, so I need to give it objects to display. Let me see if I can just pull up a quick API reference for OBS. Eventually, I will write some sort of application interface for all this so I can display it a bit easier. But for now, this should be fine. I'm just gonna do it with OBS. The idea would be to remove the WebSocket dependency. Okay, I need a source name. If it's gonna have a source name, does that not also need a scene? No, I have some other code I can look at, but I just can't show it on screen because it's got stuff in it. The code I used for Mr. Rock should be applicable here. Okay, let me just, I'm letting ChatGPT cook for a second. See if it'll solve something on its own. Hey, there we go. Also, this either all needs to be in a try catch, or oh no, this is fine actually. It isn't a try catch. I was gonna say you can use the whatever the end dunder is in a class. There we go. New music. Well, dude, I mean it's not really new to anyone. It's just it's not been playing for the last 2 minutes. Okay. We're gonna need a scene name. Let's put this up here. We're gonna need a scene, we're gonna need a source. Which is going to be ticket. I will add that. It is a text source. Next. Ticket. Say waiting. Where's this at? There we go. Hey. I'll just stick this down here. Alignment left, right, bottom. There we go. It should grow out from this bottom corner now. Whenever it needs to increase in size. Okay. The scene is screen cap. Oh wait, no, oh no, that's right. I'm not dumb. I mean, I am, but I'm not. I will adjust the new text on the fly. So now we use this. This is not a good way to do this here. What I'm gonna actually change this to is I want to put a try catch here. Or try accept here. Just so if it breaks, it'll be fine. We also no longer need this one. Just because if it's gonna fail, it's gonna fail right here. Source name is not defined. Oh, because I just called it source. And then new text. New text is going to be... Actually, where to send this if it doesn't end? Because if it ends, it should be a surprise. If it doesn't end, it should just... I don't know. Like, if the stream goes down, it won't matter what it shows on screen. And then this text here is, it'll be an F string. Okay. Ticket pulled. Randint. Not 777. Or, hang on, let's be adults. CVAL. Okay. This should work. Let's reboot this. Oh, hang on. This is an issue. An error occurred, bad request, and it takes one positional argument, but two were given. Oh, it is definitely showing stuff I don't want it to. I wish it didn't just print all this. What is it currently printing? Wait, why did it pull an old chat message? I don't want it to pull all of the chat. I just want it to pull a new message when one comes in. Okay, hang on. Okay. Let me pull this new message. This polling interval, milliseconds, field and API response. I feel like I changed this already. Polling interval is set to 1. Wait, so is this gonna pull every message every time? Also, what is this freaking out about? That your YouTube API client is correctly initialized and authenticated. Hang on. Finally does not work here. Finally only needs to happen if an error happens. I do not want it to disconnect just whenever it feels like. Okay. All true. Page token. Accept exception as E. Okay, I guess this is slightly different. Okay, hang on. No, this actually isn't different at all. Yeah, why is it pulling messages from before the app was active? I don't want it to do that. Chat, there we go. Chat working? Hey, look, I can see chat on my screen. Very cool. You'll need to initialize your message fetching process in such a way that it ignores previously existing messages and only starts processing messages after startup. Fortunately, the YouTube Live Chat API doesn't provide a direct parameter to filter messages by timestamp. Okay, do I have date time installed? Nope. And we need a date time parser. Cool. For the startup time, we're gonna do that first. Handle new message. Okay. Now it's pulling in the full item. So we want message and we want item. Honestly, why wouldn't we do this before? Okay, hang on. We're doing this before. That's just, we should not do it like that. There we go. Oh, whoops. And then this needs to get fixed. Okay. Maybe that will have fixed it. If I restart it, we should get no new messages. Alright. Oh. Fuck. Shit. Item. Oh, but we don't get item until here. The item was something that got passed into this. And this, and then all of you can return to back there, and this should work. And it did not process the old message, but if I test a new one. Testing. Okay, we got one. Damn it. I actually don't know what this error means. Base. Oh, so this is an OBS thing. Why did OBS not connect? Why did this not work? Connect to web server. Hang on, is the web server turned on? Enable WebSocket server. That is the case. Okay. There we go. It still doesn't seem like it actually connected though. Headphones got tangled. I think ChatGPT might be down. Okay. So first I just need to figure out why this is not connecting. So, I mean, we're in a debugger, so we might as well. Oh, well. Oh no, you couldn't see that. Good. Stuff to the side of the screen. We'll just not hover over anything. We want to step over. I should be getting a system notification for the fact that that just happened. Okay, I'm gonna stop this. Okay. Host local. This is just running localhost, right? Why is it not showing me where that failed? I mean, I know where it failed. It failed somewhere in here. What is our request from? OBS WebSocket requests. Yeah, this is not working. Oh, you know what? Yeah, it's definitely just because of this error. How do I print stack trace? If you really want to print a stack trace, you do this. It doesn't tell me what line it's failing on. Why is... ChatGPT is also not working correctly. Yeah, no, the source and everything should be fine. Wait. Wait. Something's up here. I smell something being dumb. No, something seems strange here. Go to declaration. Okay. That's fine. I want to know where this comes from. Here, just show me a request then. You know, I really don't want to see the factory for this attribute. I want to see the attribute itself. You know, like where it's defined. I know that it comes from a factory. I want to know. Okay, I'm starting to get very tired. Did we start this at 7? Is it really been that long? Alright, let's look at something that's not ChatGPT for an answer. Ooh, no one else is using this. Great. Oh, I'm just setting property here. For some reason, I was very confused about what was going on. I'm in like super vacation mode right now, so I have 3 dots when it starts. Cool. Why is it moving stuff in the fucking background? I want the ticket text. I want it to go over here. There we go. Okay. I'm on to something. It looks like it might be in Chinese, which I do not speak or read. Can I do global sources in? I didn't know that. Can I really? They're not using a scene here. They're just using a source name. All sources are global. Okay, so do I not need to give it a scene name? I just need to give it a source and text? We might be onto something. Source name. Okay, that's fine. And then text is right here. My reference says that's all I need. Or a reference says that's all I need. Fuck. Also, why am I getting this error but no line number where it goes? Like, okay, clearly I know it's happening right here, because where else would it be happening? Unless that's happening somewhere else, I mean, we can test it. Okay. Oh, this is not closed. Okay, so that is what's causing it. It is this call to the server, which tells me one of two things. Either the server is not running, but we should be able to connect. Hang on. OBS Connect Python. We don't want videos. Python Lua scripting. I feel like I was very clear about what I wanted. Okay, this person has built their own client. I do not need that, it's already implemented. Okay, let's see if I haven't destroyed this GPT so much that it won't answer my questions anymore. It's starting to seem like it. Check the installation. No, it's installed. It'll throw a fit if it's not. This is gonna work. Oh wait, what is this? Oh, that's from before. Just didn't close the else statement. Okay, tense music. For no reason in particular. Oh, I am just completely fucking everything up. Okay, you're not gonna believe it, but ChatGPT has told me that I should replace this line of code here with the exact same line of code. It's very confident in itself. Okay. Try this. We're to say source equals source. Now it's gonna work. And I'm not getting an error, but the text didn't update. Here, let's have our error handling back. Okay, why is this not working? Maybe I can give it its scene back and this will work. Scene equals scene. Okay. Unexpected keyword. Oh, it should be scene name, right? reboot the server or the client. Send this again. Expected keyword CNAME. Scene name. WS call. Oh, you know what? Yeah, that's right. I was putting this wrong spot. Actually useful information. Okay, is it gonna work? Is it gonna work? No, it's still waiting. Damn. Is my source name and everything correct? Yep, it's called ticket. It is a text source. Screen cap. Okay, so yeah, now this is not working. I should be seeing a pop-up saying that the OBS WebSocket was connected, though. How can I verify this connection? Okay, we can get the current scene. Right after we connect. Error has occurred. Error name. Okay, it clearly does not think that name is a key. Okay, what version of OBS WebSocket do I have? Let me open a command prompt here. OBS Web Socket-V. Okay. I don't know how to get the version. Is it get scene name? No. Okay. I don't know why I'm not getting an actual name. I'm just getting the location. Oh, wait, no, because I hate this is so annoying. I'm just gonna print the whole scene. See what this gives me. Current scene request call failed. This would be helpful. So it's not actually connecting to OBS. Let me check my password and everything here. Okay, that'd be my passy. Where is... Added the system environment variables. env, OBS pass. Well, that is the right password. Okay. I'm gonna do some creative... Oh, I can't just edit the password? That's cool. There we go. Apply. Oh, you have to have a password. Well, there goes... I have a connected socket session? From who? Kick this person. Oh. Wait, so it did kick, but it couldn't get any info. What the fuck is going on? I need this back. Nope. Okay. Anyway, be fine. So it is connecting, it's just not getting any data. Music. Now I'm not getting errors from this at all. Oh, so what's going on here is that ChatGPT just pulled a really old version of this function. It apparently is new. It is request.setInputSettings. According to this Stack Overflow article. And so we give it a source name. And then we give it input settings. Then this will be a right, and then we don't need a scene name, we just need a source name. Sure. I feel like this has changed recently. I can drop this down here. Why wrong? This closed by this, this closes this. My cat has jumped inside of a box. Oh. Better? Better. Now. Here we are. We don't need that call to succeed. We just need to test it. Fuck. Still not working. I'm going to just make sure we're getting into this spot. I'm gonna print the random integer. Sure. Oh, no, there we go. When was this posted? February 16th. Oh, a few days ago. What version of OBS am I running? About 29.1. Okay, so I'm just not quite sure why this isn't functioning. According to my cat, hey, okay, just a second. My cat decided that he wanted to destroy a box. He wanted to rip apart cardboard violently. And it seems like he might continue to do so if I don't scold him more. My code should be working. I don't know why none of this is actually functioning. Ugh. Input settings. Oh wait, do I need something else? Input name. Wait, hang on. Input name. Is that correct now? Have I solved it? Am I the best? Am I the best? Cool. This is great. I've just sunk lower in my chair. Okay, let me move my mic, because I'm now sitting very low. What does call return? Requested object populated with response data. Okay. What we're gonna do is we're gonna save this. And I'm going to print this object. I want to see what exactly it returned. I will send a message. Class object. It's literally just an object? Oh, whoops. That auto-completed for me. Call failed. Cool. Okay. Let me figure this out now. Fails to load, connection issues. Verify input name. Matches exactly the name of the source. It should. Literal ticket, which is exactly what my ticket parameter down there is named. I mean, the text is named waiting, but the property, or the actual name of the thing is ticket. Okay, we'll copy it directly from OBS. There we go. Okay, check source type. Set input settings is used to change settings on input sources. Make sure the source you're trying to modify is indeed an input source like a text GDI plus source. This is a... Yes, GDI plus source. View input settings key. We're saying it's text. It is called text. All right, we can also change font. We can do text transform. I can read this text in from a file. Hold the hell on, hang on. We're gonna just make a new file on the desktop, and I'm just gonna update it like this. And I don't have to deal with WebSockets in the slightest. Text document. This will not scale, but it will work for now. Oh, I meant to rename this. We'll ticket.txt. Go. Okay, now if I write in ticket.txt, will it appear on screen? Oh, I have to save it. If I save it, will it appear? It does. And I misspelled hello. That's how you know I'm getting a little tired. Okay. It does take like a second to update, but that's okay. That is a-okay with me. Oh, that screen freezes. All right. Now, instead of doing anything here with OBS, we don't need it. It's dead to us. Goodbye, OBS. Just all of this BS can just go away. We don't need the import. We don't need any of it down here. Wait, no shit, we do. Definitely need OBS. Will the end stream still work? We'll test that at the end. We do need OBS, but we don't need any of this source or scene or anything. We just need to connect and send the end stream request. Now, we don't need any of this. We just need fs dot, we need to clear the file. Let me just pull up a reference for fs. Oh wait, no, we don't need fs, we can just write to the file. Okay, so we're gonna do a funny. I suppose it's not really a funny. No, it's not funny at all. This is very serious work. Oh no, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Up here, we want to set this to waiting. So, with... Oh, shit. Let me grab that. Wait. Oh, there we go. Is it called? It's called ticket dot txt. Sure, that's fine. With this open as f, we want to f dot truncate. Means just set the position back to 0, and then oh, hang on, I have to set it for overwriting. I should be able to write. Yeah. Do I even need to truncate it? Can I just write to the file? f.write waiting. Will this work? I'm seeing an error somewhere. Oh, here. Well then I just do this again down there. Now that I've copied this over, I should just make a method for it, but I don't care. This is going to be an f string. That is, oh, use double quotes since we use them everywhere else. And it will say ticket pulled. Rand int. Not ticket. Cval. Okay. Unsupported operation. IO not writable. Oh, it's a file though. I should definitely be able to write something to file. I don't want to handle closing it, so Kind of like to have this in. Yeah, there we go. This is interesting. Why is this not working? I want to go to sleep so much. Oh, I opened it as read. Go ahead and clip that. That was dumb. I'm requesting quota exceeded. Oh, well, I found the limit where I have to pay. Go ahead and clip that as well. How have I had 2,000 requests? Oh, because I'm making a request every second here. Maybe this is my issue. Whoops. How can I get more? How can I get more of this? Start free. Oh, because I was basically just in test mode. Alright, let me sign up for a free trial. Business name. No. Account type. Individual. Add the credit card. Do I have things saved? Nope. I will be right back. Listen to the fun music. Okay, everyone, pull out your mom's credit card, flip it over to the back, and type those 3 numbers right into chat. Gonna need them. Hang on, I should probably be a better person and tell you a fun story. So here's my fun story. For the last 2 months, I've been eating very healthy. And hang on, I have to type something. And this is I mean, there's a reason why. Largely just because I want to be healthier, right? So tomorrow is sort of, it's not the last day that I'm going to be eating healthy, clearly, because I've actually been feeling like a human being. But it is the first time where I get to have a whole week of not having to abide by the rules that I've set out for myself. Well, 1, because I'll be on vacation, and 2, just because it's, you know, a natural stopping point, or not stopping, a natural pause. Which means that starting tomorrow, I will be allowed to have people food again. Let me explain to you what I've been eating, because I'm actually gonna take this off the screen. My diet has been not what you'd call normal. I've been eating the same 2 dishes for the last 2 months, with slight variations. Watch it a Google Cloud. Is fun on here? Find a solution. Other. Okay, there we go. Fun. So what I've been eating is for lunch I will have eggs, so an omelet with some cheddar cheese, some Frank's Red Hot, and some other like side, but it can't be carbs. So sausage, which yes does have a little bit of carbs in it. It's okay. Also vegetables, that sort of thing. Vegetables also have carbs, but they're lower in carbs because the fiber in vegetables is difficult for you to digest, so you don't actually get all of the carbs from vegetables, except for corn, because corn is a fruit, and so everything in corn is basically sugar that your body will just break down. Websites, mobile apps. I don't know, is other. This is definitely fitting in the other. What best describes your role? Is other on here? Can I just type in dumbass? What best describes your role? I think dumbass actually does fit really well. I'm just gonna say hobbyist. Okay. I have $300 in credits until June 5th. Okay, cool. And then for dinner, I will have beef, pork, or chicken. I rotate those out about twice a week. I just go to the store twice a week and I get a different type of meat. With a half cup to cup of brown rice, which yes does have all the carbs that white rice does, but it also has all the added nutrients on top of it. I find that it actually tastes a little bit better. You get a lot more of all the good stuff you want. But the texture and the cook time is way up on brown rice. Cooking brown rice takes forever. And then I will have some sort of like pan sauce that I've made, and a fair amount of vegetables. And then I might mix in, like, I could have peanuts every now and again. I've been eating baking chocolate because, well, it's 90% chocolate, so it's close enough. It has been, you know, the 3 grams of sugar I get every day is pretty great. Or, you know, every day, every other day sometimes. And then Fridays, I'll allow myself, like, a little bit of ice cream or, like, a cookie. Actually, recently I've been going with a 10-piece chicken nugget from McDonald's and Stubbs barbecue sauce, just because I think it's really good. And I don't get to eat barbecue sauce at all because it has so much sugar in it, so I save that as my treat on Friday. But tomorrow it's gloves off. I'll probably get like Chinese food. There's a place we used to go when I was a kid. I'll be driving out that way, so I'm very excited. Although, actually, they probably won't open until after I have to get out of there. It'll be fine. I'll just order from the place that's close to me now. She'll probably be upset. I've not talked to... Oh, man, I forget her name. I feel bad. The lady who runs the Chinese food place around here used to know who I was. Like, 3 months ago. But I've not made a call there in a fair while. Okay, is my quota back up? Damn. How do I use these credits? I don't want a VM. I don't want big data. I just want to be able to pull the stream data. Why is this not working? Oh, as an aside, the funny horizontal idea that I had, where you get everyone on board to turn their phone sideways so they can see the first horizontal video in Shorts, and then it just rickrolls them, is doing very well. I'm very proud of that video. I knew it was going to be a good idea when I did it, and then to see it get no reception the first week it was out was disheartening. But now I know I was right. And people are not happy with me. I don't want to deploy a web app. I want my app to work. Enabled APIs and services. YouTube data. Right. How do I pay for this? Photo calculator. Protocols for calling each API method. What am I currently calling? Live chat messages. This is not listed. Do live broadcasts. Is it live broadcasts? I don't see live under here at all. Enlist is pretty cheap. Like listing comments is a quota cost of 1. So how big is my... Okay, how can I expand my quota? Increase the quota. You can request additional quota by submitting the YouTube API Services Audit and Quota Extension form. Why? Couldn't this just be a push from YouTube's end? Why is this like this? Also, yeah, I should not be using this much of a quota. Where can I even see that? Traffic by API method. Okay. Why is the range 30 days? Just make it the last 6 hours. Okay, so we've been getting traffic every 1 second. Very interesting. Okay, stop this. How do I pay for this, Google? I'm trying to give you money, come on. It's been a struggle lately with trying to give companies money. They just do not want my shekels. I'm trying. I really am trying to give some of these companies money, and they do not want it for any reason. They make it the hardest thing in the world to pay for their product. They'll give me thousands of pop-ups to like set Chrome as my, default browser, which I should do eventually, but if you give me a pop-up, I'm gonna ignore it. but they won't just give me a pop-up to ask me to pay for their service, which is what I want. Okay, dashboard. Billing. Okay, my estimated charges is $0. I'd like that to be a bit higher. Maybe like $1 or $2 for a little bit of your data there. Go to project settings. Oh, maybe I can increase quota here. Moving a project, migrating. Nope, nope, nope. How pay? The YouTube data API is completely free. You have a default quota limit. Huge for small projects. You can see here. Okay, so I hit the quota limit in actually 2 hours. I would love it if they just let me pay for it so I didn't have to worry about the quota. Like if I could pay $5 a month and have this forever, I'd probably pay it. I mean, at least for this month. Okay, I could gripe forever about this form that I'm reading, but I'm not going to. Because I'm an adult. Also, the people who were giving solutions were telling the people in this form to go to a different one, which is not... They were telling them that instead of answering the question, which is not an appropriate response from a professional, you would always say, here's the answer, in the future, go look at this form. What they were doing is essentially saying, go fuck yourself, I don't care. Oh, I see at the bottom. Quotas and system limits. There we go. So I have 10,000 points in value, and I've used 9,000. Okay. Why is it so much? Let me ask ChatGPT why it's using so much. Long-running streams, using short interval. Looks like you're already using the page token to fetch only new messages since the last request, which is good. Just as logic is working as expected, you're not refetching messages, unnecessarily optimized data fetching. If you only need the message, text, and timestamp, ensure you're not requesting additional unnecessary data. Okay. How do? Okay. List part ID snippet. Okay, let me see here. I need... it's in fetch and process. List part snippet. That's what I'm getting. It says ID snippet. That's what I want. Page token. Live chat ID. And then execute. Yeah. That's already what I have. That's already what I have. I love that ChatGPT will take the code that you've written and give it exactly back to you as its answer. Like, here's it fixed, and it's the exact same code. It's my favorite. No, I don't want to listen to that again. What's new? Ooh, spooky. Okay, I guess we just used all of it. It's kind of a bummer because it means I can't test anymore. Adjustable? No. When a quota is adjustable, you can modify its value through the manual automated quota system. More actions. So, can I request more quota or more data then? And actually, I don't need to run this every 10 seconds. We're just going to run it every... Damn. Because I don't get that many messages, I'm just going to run it every minute, every 60 seconds. And I'm going to add a wait to the end of this. Or after, I want to close the file, right? So wait. Or is it sleep? Go ahead and sleep for probably 1 second. So every minute it'll process all of the messages that have been sent within that last minute. And it will sleep in between. Oh, it's time.sleep. I really like this song. There's actually a story to this that I think would be funny, or not funny, just fun to share. So, that song is called Ondaphone, and a lot of the music I play is written by Vintergatan, which is a band from Sweden. I don't know if everyone's from Sweden in the band, but the main guy, Martin, is from Sweden. And so he's been on this kind of visionary quest. Not really a vision quest. He's just on this quest to build this cool marble machine that can actually function on stage and doesn't like shit the bed. And as part of that, he built this machine called an Ondaphone. I'm gonna put it up on screen. Let me. I'm in the right space. Let me see if I can get a good picture of it. It is so cool. There's just this open image. Here we go. It is very small. Can I zoom in at all? Oh, I can. So it's a little blurry. Sorry, this is a blown up thumbnail from the video. But this is the Ondaphone here. You play it by like pushing down on this, and it's basically a one-string guitar with a little flappy thing at the end, so it makes this cool like flappy guitar sound. And his whole thing is when he builds this instrument, and he's like, I'm shooting for this one specific sound. And in the video, the instrument sounds so cool, and he's like, this sucks. And I couldn't believe it, because I'm like, man, this is such a cool instrument. So now I want to build one, but I don't have the plans for it. And I've not been able to find them. And I don't have a shop to build it in. Or the parts. So I guess it'll be a want forever. Well, until I can... Oh man, maybe one day I could afford to have my own shop. That would be cool. There are no maker spaces near me. Or I'd go to one. Limits and quotas for API requests. General quota limit is 50,000 requests per day, which can be increased. Increase the quota for an API. Go to Google Cloud, sign in as super admin. Under project, select the project you're using for the migration. On the left, click I am and admin. Quotas. I did that. I was just on that page. Quotas and is no, this isn't it. Can I do edit quotas? No. Manage alerts. Increase requests. There we go. No quota increase requests are available within the given options. Oh, I can't request an increase. Oh. Well, what the hell? How are you supposed to build useful apps when the quota's so low? What the fuck, YouTube? Come on. Okay, well my dream of annihilating my stream is not working out. I did not think it'd be this hard. I really honestly did not think it'd be so hard to destroy the stream. So this is a bummer. A little bummed out now. Let's see if I can just end the stream like this. Like if I just put this up here, will it stop streaming? Also, the stream might be ending, so prepare yourselves. It did not. It didn't end. Why didn't it end? I can't even just get it to turn off the stream. Session duration 1920. Yeah, so this just connected. Messages in and out. I can't even see what it's sending. Why is it not gonna stop streaming? I've seen this code work before. Also, I totally stole this whole stream ending idea from Doug. It's not really stealing it, it's, because the way he had it was that he'd ban a bunch of people. I don't feel like banning anyone because I don't know how to on YouTube. And also, I'd like people to watch my stuff before they get banned. It would be cool to have actual viewers here, but traceback. I love it when you get responses to stuff in forums. It's like, I don't know about whatever you're doing, but here's my 2 cents. No one cares. If you don't know what you're talking about, please just shut the fuck up. People need to not have an opinion on literally everything. Have opinions on shit you know about. Like, I don't know about dirt. People study dirt. I don't know anything about it. I don't care about dirt. I just don't. I don't like say stuff I don't know about stuff I don't know about. People on the internet do not tend to have that restraint. Okay, hang on. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT again and it's gonna get it wrong, and then I'm gonna end the stream manually out of anger. Okay. Not successfully stopping OBS stream. View common issues. So check the WebSocket connection. It is connected. It is connected. I can verify from OBS side that the client is connected. WebSocket server's remote address is connected. Messages in and out 2 out of 3. I don't know what that means. Check for errors. No, okay, I'm stopping this. In the context of OBS, doing plugins like WebSocket, messages in and messages out for the communication between OBS instance and any external scripts. Messages in is 2, messages out is 3 then. I see. Verify connection, done. Review OBS WebSocket plugin settings. Make sure it's enabled. It is. Make sure the port and password are correct. It is. Error handling, done. OBS and system logs. Ooh, actually, you know what? Maybe I could pull the logs for this and see what I'm actually sending. That's useful. I forgot this produced useful logs. But where I don't see it. Log files, there we go. Oh, log files. You won't be able to see this, but that's fine. It is 3.6, 8.24. This is from a while ago. GPU priority setup failed. Maybe that's what was crashing. All scene data clip. This is not fucking what I asked it for. Upload current log. View current log. There we go. You can't see this, but I can see it. Okay, WebSocket. New WebSocket client has connected from here. Source. Desktop audio is lagging. Oh, you're fine. Don't be a baby. It's really upset that my audio is lagging though. There's like 1,000 messages in here, all sent at once. So maybe it's possible that the data's just never making it. it is getting late enough that it's really irresponsible for me to be up much later, so I do need to go get some sleep before tomorrow to be up very, very early. Okay, so it is connected. So then why are calls not working? I'm gonna check my OBS version. Nope, 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 nope. Stop, 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 stop. Okay, I got a little bit upset with the AI chatbot. I asked it, how do I check the OBS WebSocket tool version? And it said, well, if you want to check the plugin for OBS, and I said, no, 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 the pip tool. And it said, well, there's no OBS and there's no OBS plugin for pip, so I don't know what you want to check. And I just wrote, I wrote, check the fucking Python tool. Okay, pip list. There we go. You're on Windows. Oh yeah. I hear a rumor that we're getting grep on Windows eventually. I don't know if that's real or not. Pip list. Okay. OBS WebSocket. OBS WebSocket PY is 1.0. Oh, there's OBS WS. What's the difference here? Python library. Unusual, possibly incorrect. I actually think that one of these packages is mine. Okay, I'm gonna try and reinstall OBS WebSocket plugin. And if that doesn't work, I'm ending the stream and going to sleep. Pip install. OBS WebSocket -py. A new release of pip is available. It says that it's already satisfied. I am not satisfied. I'm upset. Okay, I'm gonna check one last thing. I'm gonna look for. Nope, not downloads. Okay. I have to look for a file that will be the secret. I just need the Mr. Rock code to see if I'm doing anything different than that. Because if the Mr. Rock code is broken, then we're all fucked. Hmm. It's based off my old joke generator, which should be around here somewhere. Oh, I have to go do all my dishes too. Okay, I really have to end the stream. This has to finish loading right now. And if it doesn't find anything, then we're done. Here, have some music. Oh, I found it. Nope, don't run the code. Do not run the code. Okay, it looks like it crashed. File location. Degen, joke, stream questions. Okay. I want to open this with a specific program. Notepad. Port 11 Labs. Wait, hang on. What's in 11 Labs? Could have written better. Oh, this is way different. Okay, hang on. I knew something was up. Yeah, let me see if I can just find the... Here we go. There should be a stop stream here. List of events. Okay, it might be under requests. Let's see. General requests. Config request, source request, scene request, input requests. Okay, here we go. Stop stream. How do I... Is it just a stop stream? Hang on. Is it just CL stop stream? Well, we'll know if this works. Okay, let's see if ChatGPT has an answer. WS stream. Oh. Okay, I love that it doubles down on dog shit answers. That's not what it was searching for something else. Because it thinks it knows what I want. Okay, no one knows what's going on. The documentation sucks because they had a developer write this, not a technical writer. Maybe I can actually go to the definition. Oh. No, go back. No. Where are you? Here we go. Now. The scene collection. Video settings. Let's look for stop. Stop virtual camera. Stop underscore stream. Stops the stream up. Okay. Let's see if this actually works. If it does, this will be the end.